All right, hi Monica. We're here with Mark.
Hi,
Hey,
Monica.
Mark. And we're gonna duplicate a class notebook for you. So we're just gonna all the way through logging in. Go ahead, Mark.
So we're gonna go through staff, and then you're gonna go to your Office 365 account. I'm gonna sign in. So you'll have to type in your email and your Office 365 account. And it's gonna take you to your storage. So your home page may look slightly different than mine. So on your home page, it might just show you the Office applications. What you're gonna need to do is find class notebook, or you're gonna find your file location under class notebooks here. Either option works. But since yours is most likely gonna open like this, I'm gonna click on class notebook. And then under class notebook, you get the option to add or remove students. So we're gonna click that option. You'll notice here I've got 3 sample notebooks. You're gonna find the name of the notebook you want. So I'm gonna click on this notebook here because I know I have students. Right now I have 2 of my colleagues added as students in this notebook. So what you'll see is your entire class roster in this form here. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and remove them. And you can delete their content, or you can save their content. So maybe they want to use it next year. If you don't need it next year, we can delete the content as well. So that'll be a decision that you need to make there. And then at the same time, you can go ahead and add your new students once you get your roster. Next, I'm going to delete this, and it's telling me their content is going to be deleted. So I'll click update. It'll set up your new class notebook, and then you'll be all set. It's ready to go.
All right. So thanks, Monica. Let me know if this is what you wanted. So we're gonna add new students, get rid of the old students, and you can rename it if you want. Let me know if you need more, if you want a whole new notebook. We also went through how to move stuff. Maybe we'll do a separate video of how to move some content between notebooks.